Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 money transfer not going through. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi and mobile data is stable. Try switching between networks if needed. Then, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Then, double check the IBAN, email, or phone number of the recipient. Correct Enter the correct PIN or biometric verification as required. If the transfer still fails, wait for a few minutes and try again. Server issues may cause temporary failures. Always update the N26 app to avoid technical issues. Go to the App Store, search for the app, and update your app if you already haven't. Updating your app will help you avoid technical issues. That's how to fix the N26 transfer not going through. Like and subscribe for more banking guides.